In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process your Todoist inbox in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and streamline your task management system for ultimate productivity. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and type in the Todoist login URL. This is your gateway to accessing the platform and getting all those tasks under control. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your email. It's important that this email is the one associated with your Todoist account to ensure you're logging into the right place. Following this, you'll need to enter your password. Make sure that it's secure, and remember, it's always a good habit to keep your passwords updated regularly. If you're someone who enjoys the convenience of single sign-on, Todoist has got you covered. You can also log in quickly by clicking on Continue with Google, Facebook or Apple. Choose the option that works best for you and it will take you right into your Todoist account. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to open your inbox view. This is where all of your incoming tasks and to-dos are initially gathered. Now let's tackle these tasks one by one. Carefully review each task by reading through its description. This step is vital as it helps you understand exactly what action is required. After reviewing, decide on the next action for each task. If you find tasks that are no longer relevant or needed, don't hesitate to delete them. This will help declutter your inbox and keep your focus on what truly matters. For tasks that are associated with a specific project, it's a good idea to assign them to the relevant project. You can easily do this by selecting from the drop-down menu, ensuring your tasks are organized and easy to find later. Setting a due date is another crucial step. Adding deadlines ensures that tasks are completed on time and helps to avoid procrastination. Prioritizing your tasks is key to effective task management. Assign a priority level of low, medium, or high based on the task's importance, helping you allocate your time more effectively throughout the day. If there are any tasks that require additional information or context, consider adding details. This can include labels, subtasks, or comments which will further clarify the task for you or anyone else involved. Lastly, make processing your Todoist inbox a regular habit. Doing this frequently will keep your task list up to date and prevent tasks from piling up, ensuring you maintain control over your personal and professional goals. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized and efficiently managed Todoist inbox, allowing for a more productive day. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.